What's up mga ka-trends? Here's another update of the NY couple. Yesterday, on a DEX activity, Nadeko Guinea was went at the Thai Boxing Club school having an ice bucket challenge. Nadeko Guinea is now back in Thailand after the All Saints Day and had a show in Samsonite. Last day, Nadek's appearance after he was arrived in Thailand, Nadeko Guinea was went to miss another show for the Krongtong Plaza. Nadeko Guinea surprised everyone arranging a big surprise and exclusive, expressive experience with a special event for Go Shopping Free. Many fans was also there and so happy to see Nadek. Yesterday, on recess activity, recess Spear Band got their beautiful photos way back when they are in Singapore. As you can see, Rose's spear band looks so beautiful and still stunning on her black and white background. Rose's spear band was also back in Thailand together with his boyfriend.